Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to potentially buy in the month of December, as we're seeing a huge dip in the crypto market and obviously in the stock market as well, which is causing each other to trend on lower. In the past 24 hours, the market is down about 4.5%. Big pullback here. Obviously in the crypto market, we're used to big pullbacks like this, so this is kind of just like a little mosquito bite in our opinion right here. So we have our top gainer in the past 24 hours going to be Decentraland Social, which is up about 40% here, trading at $148. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at 32.7 billion in volume, Ethereum at 24.3 billion in volume. Bitcoin's down almost 5%, Ethereum almost 7% down. Bitcoin holding strong at about 47,000. Meanwhile, Ethereum in the high 3700s right there, but a decent pullback. And we talked about pullbacks like this in Ethereum especially. There would be a good opportunity for our buying to dip. And, it's kind of hit those levels right now. If we can go even lower on Ethereum, this would be like a red alert type situation. The bells are going off, saying buy me, buy me, buy me, pretty much, in my opinion. We see all the altcoins are down here as well. Solana's down 8%, trading at 150 now. Binance Coin's down 5%. Cardano's down 8%. Cardano just keeps on going lower and lower. It's going to be trading under $1 pretty soon, and that's a great buying opportunity in my opinion again. Ripple's down 4%, Polkadot 9%, Luna's down 9%, Avalanche is down 10% or so. The 2 meme coins are down about 5% each. Dogecoin trading at around 16 cents now, continues to go lower and lower. But as we can see, most of the altcoins are down 5 to 10% depending on which one we're looking at, which is a huge sale in my opinion overall in the market, guys. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It helps the channel grow. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. Let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Solana, SOL. We have to talk about it, guys. It's making a huge pullback down here and a great opportunity for any Solana long-term holders. Right now, we're down about 8% in the past 24 hours, trading at $152.99. In the past week, this coin's down 21% from highs of in the 200s. In the past month, we're down 36% from highs of about 260. So from 260 to 152, that is about, let's just say about $100 drop right there, a little bit more than $100 drop right there, which is just insane in my opinion. $110 drop almost. Big pullback here on Solana, hitting previous support levels right here around this 150. So if it continues to go down even lower, under 150, this could, continue to sink even lower and lower, and could be a great opportunity for long-term investors to buy the dip on Solana as it continues to push lower. So obviously here in the past year, we're still up over 9,512% on Solana, as Solana was trading at $1.76 just last December. Continue to push higher here throughout the year to about $47.50. Traded there for pretty much the whole year until about the end of August. So here, September, October, and November, just started to, make a huge move here from $50 all the way to highs of that 260 area. Made about a 4 to 5x opportunity right there, and now we're making a huge sell-off. So for any people that were buying in the 200s, wouldn't you be wanting to buy right now at 150 instead of 200? If you believed in Solana before, why wouldn't you believe in it right now? And I think personally this is a great buying opportunity in my opinion. Right now, 47.2 billion market cap. Volume is up almost 100% higher than usual at 2.6 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 26 days. It is ranked the number 4 coin right now, right behind Binance Coin. We have 82% buy activity, 18% sell activity. Solana obviously is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without sacrificing decentralization. Now, something to keep in mind, obviously, like Ethereum, Solana is a computing platform that can interact with smart contracts. So smart contracts power a wide range of applications, obviously, like NFTs, so NFT markets, and DeFi to games and decentralized lotteries. So one reason a user might choose an app that runs on Solana over, say, Ethereum is that the speeds are high and the congestion is low, which is a good thing for us, resulting in very low fees, and we do not want to pay high fees, obviously. So as long as the NFT world is around here, Solana should be doing fine. Now, obviously, as the market is pulling back down now and many other things are pulling back down, it's not a surprise to see Solana trading at these lower prices. But once again, like I said, this is a great opportunity for long-term holders to potentially buy the dip. If you feel like you missed out on Solana in the past and you were, wanting to get in, this could be the opportunity right here. Obviously, you have to do your own research and figure out if it fits your criteria and if you think that this coin could go higher in the future. If those criteria are hit, then obviously it is a great opportunity. If they are not hit, then maybe you're going to be waiting for a bigger dip. Maybe you're expecting it to go under 130, 120, potentially even $100 per coin. It depends on what your criteria is. So Solana, guys, first altcoin on this list. Now, second altcoin on the list is going to be Axie Infinity, AXS. So this one is down about 8% here in the past 24 hours. This is one of the metaverse plays. So you guys know we love the metaverse plays, and this one is one of the big ones, one of the biggest ones actually, trading at $93 right now. In the past week, we're down 12%. Past month, we're down 34% from highs up here of over $165. So right now, we're down about $73 from the highs, which is a huge pullback once again. We broke through this support level around the 115 level. Our next support level is going to be around the $80 range. So if we go down to about $80, hopefully we'll bounce off of that support level and continue to push on higher. Hopefully we do not go lower than that. If we do, we could potentially go down lower even to about $40. But obviously we would need a bigger crypto pullback for that to happen overall. Currently in the past year, this coin is still up over 14,508% from 74 cents last December. Continue to hit highs here, trading at around $4 here in June, and then it just started to take off very, very quickly. Consolidated a little bit in September, took off again, and it just continued to push on higher and higher here as late September, early October, the metaverse started to get really, really popular. And, we had Facebook change its name to Meta, and different things happened with, Zuckerberg and different things like that caused, the metaverse coins to start pushing on higher and higher to those highs. Now, obviously, everything is making a pullback. Market cap currently at 5.7 billion. We have our volume here up 78% higher than usual at 341.1 million. It is a typical hold time, 13 days. It is ranked the number 23 coin on the list. 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity. Now, AXS is an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect, and build a digital kingdom for their pets. Now, AXS holders can claim rewards for staking their tokens, playing the game, and participating in key governance votes as well. So, Axie Infinity, one of the most popular ones and the biggest, right there with the Decentraland. They keep going back and forth to see which one is going to be the highest market cap. But this is definitely a play that I'm going to be watching for the future as well, as Metaverse continues to grow higher and higher. Axie Infinity is gaining more traction as well. So that's our second altcoin. Now, before we get into our final altcoin, the third altcoin on this list, let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles, guys. So this is something we like to do, and we're back in the red here on the bubbles, guys. So we've been following this for a few weeks now, and we've seen the bubbles, change from green to red and red to green. And we saw a lot more green in the previous video, but now we're back to red. So we're only seeing a handful of green ones right here, like this one right here, Dusk Network, up 82% or so. We see measurable data up 31%. We have another one here, Syscoin, which is up about 25%. We have Binary, which is up about 27%. Obviously, Near Protocol, a coin we talked about in yesterday's video, and some other coins obviously that are here in the green. But we also have some big, red coins here that are taking huge pullbacks in the past few days and obviously past weeks. So the things are all over the place right now. We're having a huge kind of sale going into the end of 2021. Could this be a huge opportunity for the beginning of 2022? That's something we're gonna have to wait and see. So you guys let me know what you guys think about that as well. Now, the third altcoin on this list, guys, is going to be Ethereum. We actually haven't talked about Ethereum as an alternative buying opportunity for a long time. We cover Ethereum, obviously, and Bitcoin in the videos and talk about the price action. But let's take a quick look and actually dive in deeply into Ethereum to see what is going on, guys. So we talked about if it went below 4,000, that it could be an opportunity to buy. And we said if it goes below 3,700, it could be even better opportunity. And that's pretty much where the level we're trading at right now. In the past 24 hours, we're down almost 7%, hitting lows down here at one point of 3,660. That was a great opportunity. And you see a lot of people bought that dip right away. Came back up to about $3,700. In the past week, we're down 13%. Past month, 18%, and then on the 1 year chart we're up 542%. Now it seems like we're on a downtrend right here. We could bounce off anytime right now, but if we don't bounce off, we could go down here to lows of about 3,400 possibly. And if we can get to 3,400, that's another great opportunity to buy this dip on Ethereum as well, as this coin in my opinion, will continue to grow in the years to come. And this could be, a chance that we might not get in a long, long time, or possibly even ever. So right now, Ethereum's market cap is 447.9 billion, which is 17% of the crypto market space. In the past year, obviously, Ethereum is up over 500%. So you would have made a 5x on your money pretty much if you invested into Ethereum, which is a great return in my opinion. Volume is up 63% higher than usual at 24.3 billion. So volume is climbing right there. 81% buy activity, 19% sell activity on Ethereum. So this one continues to grow, higher and higher, guys. Obviously, right now with a slight pullback, nothing major. We're about $1,000 away from the all-time high area now, but Ethereum in the long term, we believe, will continue to grow. So Ethereum is going to be our third altcoin, guys, on this list. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market and see how everything is performing. First of all, let's take a look at the meme, guys. So Doge, first of all, trading here at 16 cents here. In the past 24 hours, down about 5%, hit lows down here about 15 cents, almost 14 cents. In the past week, we're down 11%. Past month, 40% almost, with those lows of 13 cents. If Doge goes under 13 cents, like we said, it could possibly even hit 10 cents. And if we go under that, it's just going to be a bad fall, guys. It's like a falling knife here with Doge, and somebody's going to catch it, and it's probably going to be that Dogecoin millionaire because he's still hodling his coins. I don't understand what that guy is thinking. I continue to say that. I still think that he made a huge mistake holding his coins. He should have sold. Even up here, it would have been a great opportunity when we was trading at around 40 cents if he didn't sell at the top. 40 cents was still a great opportunity to sell. He just kept on holding and holding and holding. He could have bought in now for a cheaper price. So, Dogecoin continues to fall lower, guys. Bitcoin down about almost 5% here, trading at around 47,000 right now. In the past week, we're down 7%. Past month, 27% with those lows of 42,000. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up about 146%. So Bitcoin still holding steady, but it is very far away from the all-time high area right now. We're about, 12,000 dollars away from that area as it continues to go lower and lower. I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin even drop potentially to 41,000 or 42,000 and bounce off of that area in the future. So we're going to be watching that very, very closely. Currently, market cap 888.8 billion, 33% of the crypto market space. Volume is up huge, about 43% higher than usual at 32.7 billion. We have 75% buy activity and 25% sell activity currently on Bitcoin. Guys, this could be a sale of a lifetime pretty much. Everything's kind of pulling back down. We're going to be seeing what the rest of the market is going to do for the next 2 or 3 days, how the market is going to be affected on Wednesday as well. And then we could potentially start to come back up, or we could dive even lower depending on what happens on Wednesday in the meeting that we have with Jay Powell for the stock market and inflation and different things like that. Because obviously the stock market is influencing and making crypto follow pretty much a similar pattern, even though it should not be doing that. Crypto should be doing its own thing, in my opinion, but right now it seems to be following whatever the stock market is doing as well. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what are your theories? What do you think is going to happen in the end of 2021 and obviously, into next year? As always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.